Welcome to What Is, the channel where curiosity gets fed and occasionally gets a long neck. Today's question: what is a giraffe? Spoiler alert, it's not just a spotted horse with a neck problem. But, oh, it's so much better than that. The giraffe, scientific name Giraffe pardalis. Yes, you heard right, camelopardalis. That's because early scientists thought it looked like a camel wearing leopard print, which either means they had great imagination or very questionable eyesight. A giraffe is the tallest living land animal on Earth. How tall an adult male can reach up to about 18 feet. That's basically the height of 3 refrigerators stacked upright. Females are a little shorter, but still tall enough to change light bulbs without a ladder, assuming giraffes had light bulbs and cared about interior design. Giraffes roam the savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of Africa. Countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, and South Africa are their homes. They're not found in the wild anywhere else, which means if you see a giraffe in your local mall parking lot, either your zoo has very bad locks, or you should call someone. Giraffes are herbivores, plant eaters, and their absolute favorite meal: leaves, especially from acacia trees. Those towering necks give them exclusive access to the buffet at the top. While other animals are stuck eating grass, giraffes are basically dining at the 5-star restaurant in the sky. And yes, their tongues are long enough to reach those leaves, about 18 to 20 inches long. Oh, and their tongues are dark, bluish black. This isn't because they wanted a trendy goth look. It's believed the dark pigment helps protect them from sunburn. Yes, giraffes can get sunburned tongues. Nature thinks of everything. Now, you'd think with such a long neck, giraffes would have extra neck bones. Right. Wrong. They have the same number of neck vertebrae as you. 7. The difference is that each vertebra can be up to 10 inches long. That's right, nature didn't add more. It just supersized what was already there. Their necks aren't just for reaching dinner, they also use them in combat. Male giraffes sometimes swing their necks like sledgehammers in a behavior called necking. It looks like slow-motion jousting, but instead of horses, you have actual giraffes. Here's something astonishing. A giraffe's heart weighs about 25 pounds and can pump blood all the way up to the brain. That's a high climb. Their blood pressure is more than twice that of an average human. This means if a human had giraffe-level blood pressure, a doctor would probably give them a stern talking to. But for giraffes, it's perfectly normal. It's part of what keeps them alive. Baby giraffes, called calves, are already about 6 feet tall when they're born. Imagine meeting a newborn that can already look you straight in the eye while you're standing. And their welcome to the world moment is intense. Calves drop about 5 feet to the ground at birth. It's gravity's way of saying, "You're alive now, let's go." Calves can stand within 30 minutes and run within hours. In the savannah, you have to be ready for life right away. No long maternity ward stays here. Giraffes are social, but not in a "let's all travel together forever" kind of way. They form loose groups called towers. Yes, like a tower of giraffes. These groups can change members often. It's more like a casual get-together than a permanent club. They communicate with each other using sounds so low in frequency that humans often can't hear them. It's like giraffe whale song, minus the water. Here's the serious bit. Giraffe populations have declined significantly over the last few decades due to habitat loss and poaching. Some subspecies are now vulnerable or endangered. Conservation groups are working to protect them, but awareness helps too. So, the more we learn about these animals, the better equipped we are to help preserve them for future generations. Let's rapid fire through some extra facts. Giraffes can run up to about 35 miles per hour over short distances, fast enough to make you reconsider your jogging goals. They sleep less than most mammals, sometimes only 30 minutes a day, often standing up. Their spots aren't just for fashion, they help with camouflage and even regulate body heat. Despite their long necks, giraffes have trouble reaching the ground to drink water. They have to awkwardly splay their legs out or kneel. It's like watching a yoga pose designed by a prankster. So, now you know, a giraffe is more than just a tall, spotted creature. It's a marvel of evolution built to tower, reach, and thrive. It's quietly social, surprisingly fast, and a reminder that nature loves to experiment with proportions. If you enjoyed learning about the wonderful giraffe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with the most giraffe-loving person you know, and subscribe to What Is for more curious questions answered. Because the world is full of amazing things, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.